In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable screenshot taking feature on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. By using this feature, you can easily take screenshots of anything on your Windows computer. So this is a very straightforward method. Just follow the steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, we need to go ahead and install a one-off tool. And for that, just go ahead and search for print screen. And this will take us to this Lightshot website. You can also just search by Lightshot. So this will take you to this print screen Lightshot website. Go ahead and click on this app.printscreen.com. And here we can download the software for either Windows or MacBook. For my case, I'm on Windows, and therefore I'll go ahead and choose download for Windows. And this will go ahead and download this file on my computer. And once done, now I'll go ahead and open the Lightshot setup file that I've just downloaded. Then double click on it to start the installation process. So this is a very small file. Go ahead and run the installer. So I'll click on OK. And on this setup wizard, go ahead and choose I accept the agreement and click on next. And now the installation process is on. Now, once done, go ahead and click on finish to complete the installation process. It's time now to start taking screenshots. Now, to take a screenshot, you need to go ahead and find a print screen button on your keyboard. So I'll go ahead and mirror my keyboard here and show you how you can do it. Now my keyboard is here. To take a screenshot, depending on your keyboard, we shall use this print screen function to take any screenshot. So for some keyboards, if this button is in a different color, for instance blue, you might want to use a combination of function key, which is this, press down function key, together with this to take a screenshot. But for some keyboards, go ahead and press the Windows key together with this print screen at once. So for my case, I can take screenshot by pressing function key and print screen. So if I press the two like this, now you can see I can take a screenshot. To take a screenshot, just select the area you want to take the screenshot, and then once you're done, now you can go ahead and save it using this button save. So if I click on save, now you can see we have the option to save here. I have saved it. You can choose where you want to save it. For mine, I have saved it under downloads. So if I go to downloads here, let me remove this keyboard. Now you can see the screenshot has been taken here. So each and every time I just want to take a screenshot, I'll go ahead and press the print screen with any combination according to my keyboard, and then select the area I wish to take a screenshot, and then save. Or if you want to cancel, you can close it here. You can even take now screenshots on websites or any pages. For instance, if I want to take a screenshot here, I can just do the same and then just highlight the area I want to save and then save it and choose a location. You can change the location here and then save. So that's how you can simply take screenshots on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.